I'm going to record this just in case. So the brief was, oh, is that a brief? Yeah, basically. For you to pick up a product, then just build an SEO content for it. Once again, I want to confirm that you can hear me clearly. Just type I on the chat box, and somebody should reach out to Deborah for me. I want her to be here. Yeah. Yeah, she missed the last class. Okay. All right, let's move on. So this person choose, okay, good, clearly. This person choose NeoLife. Wow, this person actually need to shake creamy vanilla, meal replacement protein shake. That's what the person choose from what I'm saying. But I also expect you to just put the name of the product on the top. It's a title that just made me to realize what you actually picked in this sense. Okay. And adding this new GNAD here, it's actually a very good thing because, like I told you guys, some baby boomer, they know this company as GNAD. And from my experience, they are still the one with highest purchasing power tomorrow. Yeah, those people, they are born in 1970. They still have the highest purchasing power from my own data. Yes, a lot of millennials also buy, but their purchasing power is not like these baby boomer guys. So using these words, you are going to be able to attack them. So it's not just about content too. Number you have okay. So this makes everybody move yourself. I'm doing that right now. Move everybody. You cannot omit yourself so that you will not scatter this for the fact that so people are going to listen to this later. Yeah. So you are unmuted. See further notice. So like I was saying, for the fact that you are writing for who want to buy. So this is a good tactics here. Yes. So, but yeah, there's a word missing here. So I don't know who owns this one. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. But if this is your own or it's not yours as well, it's very important for you to take notes because I cannot review everything, basically. So apart from this, so I want you should have something like GNLD product because that GNLD product is a keyword. You see, there are two major keywords for somebody that does not know any of these products, right? The two major keywords is GNLD product, baby boomer, NeoLife product, millennial, and JC. Do you understand? So that's the two major keywords, anywhere you want to say. So those keywords must be part of your title, right? So this is a product name. This NeoLife shake is a product name. So meta tag, nourishing your body with GNLD, NeoLife shake creaming. So this is top. Why is it top? This variable coming in here. So for example now, one of the way that I got to know whether your content is going to rank or not, if I do Control F and I type GNLD, look at what is happening here. So in the entire document here, right? In the entire document, this entire document has GNLD 19 times. I hope you can see it at my top right here, 2 of 19. If you can see it, type I on the chat. I'm not going to unmute you so that we don't have intruder on this call anymore. Can you see that? Did anyone see 2 of 19? Correct. So that is very important. So far, what is missing from this document is not mentioning the two primary keywords. The two primary keywords to all, even if somebody that wants to buy does not know the name of the product. There's so many people that want to buy. They don't know the name of the product, but they know the name of the company. So what they are looking for is two major keywords, GNLD products, NeoLife products. So in your document, so in anything that I want to write SEO content for, you need to know what are the major keywords. I hope you are learning to. Right? Right? You need to know what are the major keywords, irrespective. The two major keywords for this is GNLD product and NeoLife product. So if in this document now, if I type GNLD products, right? And there's nothing like GNLD products. It's a foul, right? So it's going to have a lot of bounce rates because it's just going to have like a generic name. GNLD is a generic name, right? But products have to be specified, right? So in this content now, one thing is missing. So how will you insert this product here? So this person should go and update this. Who is this again? I need to mention, should the case person on the call. This is from Augustina. Is Augustina on the call? Yeah. So you can update it. I need you to take notes. All right? I just checked. She's on the call. So everywhere that you mentioned this, so this should be GNLD products. So here too, products must be there because those are prominent keywords, primary keywords. So when somebody go to search, either Bing, either Avista, either Google, whatever it is, when they go to the search, they want to search and they don't know the particular product they are looking for, but they know the company name. They will write the company products. Do you understand? Yeah. And if you want to test that, so let's go to Google right now. Yeah. What you are doing right now is learning on the job, just in case you don't know. GNLD products. I want to just show you some search volume. If this guy did not disappoint. I'm talking about keywords. If he's not disappoint. Yeah. So just watch. And there's some other application too, some other tools which I'm going to check. So can you see this guy? Look at what he said. This guy said GNLD product have 50% search volume. Do you know what that means? As a matter of fact, there are more people looking for GNLD products as a keyword than NeoLife products. I hope you can see my screen. So if it is missing from your content, you are missing out. So it might take your own to take 2 years before it display. I hope you are listening. I was telling what's her name again now? Anytime I want to call her name, I always remember one of mine, put it like that. She has also come. She was here yesterday. I was telling her that I don't know if you guys noticed that the training style for this is different from the training style for the regular Digify. Because this one is on the job learning. It's different. Yes, this training style, it usually take something that can do under 5 minutes, can take me 30 minutes because of the style. There's another training style of do as I do. It's also taking more longer than like this. So take it very serious. This is like training style depend on who and the level of who I'm dealing with at any time. Okay? Chisom, you are here. Good. Yes, I've been calling your name since. So you need to know what are the prominent keywords. You are not writing content for fun. The content is not for you. That's why you need data. Right? That's why you need data. It's not for you. So you use what people are asking. So you can see, I told you the two prominent names, GNLD products, NeoLife products. Again, this is applicable to different things. I've used the same thing to even kill people in Oriflame, like I've done SEO for people in Oriflame, Forever Living, all of them. I've gone there to train. Yes, they pay heavily. Yeah, you can decide to do that, pay heavily. You have solutions to their problem, right? So you can see. So when you see this, there's no way you will ignore such from your content. So it has to be here. So I've not checked this now, and I type GNLD product, and I can't see anything. Singular product is not available. Plural, because some people will type singular and plural too. Yeah. Search sees that as different thing. It doesn't show up. So that is like -20. Yes, GNLD as a keyword to come, but what you are going to have a lot of bounce rates. Yeah. And you are going to have a lot of competition. Remember I talked about Bovu, and I said the kind of illustration the other day. For some of you, if I drop any content in that WhatsApp group, if you like, take it serious. If you like, don't take it serious. Right? Take it serious. If you like, don't take it serious. Just think it's a regular content. Whatever I share with you, it's from my personal experience. I don't talk about things that I've not done. Right? So, and it's going to be useful for you one day when you face industry Goliath that you need to overcome. Your keyword research is the stone. Okay? So here now, that is actually, as at this point we are, that is actually missing. So you need to just add that here, add that here. There's a way you can also tweak this formula. So like at the end of this place now, just have like a straight line and still type NeoLife products, because don't joke with that two prominent name. If you want to rank in this particular business, yeah, don't joke with it. And you should be able to identify that in any business. Like I remember I optimized for one facility maintenance company. They are topping that swimming pool construction company in Lagos, Nigeria. They are topping right now. So I need to look for what are the prominent things that people are searching and how to bank on it. So the more you have that in your content, the more relevant, the more likely you are going to top. So if your competitors in their first page is displaying like, let's say 5 times, right? And your own is now 50 times. Come on, man. Let me see something. If this site will load, I'm trying to check something. I always like coming with receipts. So when I was battling with Jumia and the rest, yeah. So let me just do something like this here. GNLG products coming. This thing is long. I guess my file cannot check everything because it's more than this. I can assure you of that. It's only see the one that I have on my sidebar. It's only see the one that I have on my sidebar because there are still more in between. But you do notice that it's only see the one on the sidebar, right? But there are more here. There are more here, but it's only see the one on the sidebar. Okay. Let's go to that. Try to see. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that name is very, very important in anything that you do. Let me go back to the class. So update it with it. Then in your keywords, so don't forget that your keywords must be separated by comma. So even the fact that you're putting documents, put the comma here, comma, 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 comma. Like you cannot just say NeoLife shake side effects. You can also say GNLD NeoLife shake side effects. Do you understand? Right? Instead of saying NeoLife shake review, GNLD NeoLife, because some people till today they did not even know that the company is now NeoLife. Right? And from my research, these are the people that still have the highest purchasing power till tomorrow. Like these people have worked. Most of them are within the age of 50 and 60. They have worked their entire life. Hustling is not their problem right now. How to make money is none of their business right now. What is the most important to them right now is their health. I want to go to Canada, I want to go to UK. It's none of their business right now. She gets it. So the most important thing for them now is their health. So they are the one that see the highest when it comes to purchasing power. So you need to know how to separate the age bracket of people with purchasing power. I've never done any, let's say there's a time that I run about 32 ad sets for these products that time. I don't target anybody less than 35. Because my data has told me that those are the people with purchasing power. I don't need your like, I don't need your comments. I need money. So you need to know who. You need to target your message towards who want to buy. If not, you just be showing our content that like, I know they buy, I don't tire. Yes, you'll be tired. It's not about you. It's about what the system, the data, the customer is saying. Yeah. So this is keywords, but it's not enough. It's too small. You need more than this. It's not enough. At least I should have like 20, so that you'll be able to use it to play around, alternate tabs. So this is very low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is low the bar. You need to go to high the bar. You cannot be working like a far to see and sad to see. I hope you get that. Right? So this is low. Add to this. Then don't forget NeoLife products, GND NeoLife products. Right? Again, there's a NutriShake, there's a NeoLife shake. Don't mix it. There's two different products. There's NutriShake and there's NeoLife shake. So that is also very important. So that somebody will not be looking for NeoLife shake, but you optimize it for NutriShake. Right? Then, but I love the fact that you follow the instruction, because this headline, like those things that I gave you, like outline, it actually helps. So you now remember that, okay, I need H2, H3, testimony, bullet, and the rest. Then you come up with this GNLD, NeoLife products, GNLD products, NeoLife products. I want to be seeing that guy visible here, as many as possible. Yeah, I want to see it visible here. Okay, GNLD, creamy, whatever, shake, nutrition powerhouse. So today's fast, whatever. So like this, I want to rewrite this now. Sometimes when you see content, you rewrite it, because most of those content, they didn't write it with SEO in mind. They wrote it with pharmaceutical in mind, right? Customer did not know pharmaceutical words. So when you see some of those pharmaceutical words, you translate it to a layman language. For example, insulin. It's only learned people that will go on Google search and type how to regulate insulin. A common man will say how to regulate, like people that has big money, that are control container from China, will go to Google and type how to regulate sugar in my body. But we are saying the same thing. Do you understand? So you need to know how to use your customer language, blood sugar. So if I say in the today's fast-paced world, this is to the great nutritional needs. Okay? Right? With busy schedule and whatever. So you must be able to link this. That's what I'm going to. It's no longer one that many of us want to fix. And but it's true that our bodies do whatever. That is where GNAD NeoLife products. It must come up. GNAD NeoLife products. Let's have that. Then the name of the product comes in. Okay. So he said, me now, I will not just say a nutritional powerhouse. I'll say GNAD NeoLife product is a nutritional powerhouse. Do you get it? You need that name. Meticulously crafted to provide your body with everything that you need. Try NeoLife, GNAD NeoLife products today. That name must become a recurrent. It's a recurrent stuff. Okay? Each serving of GNAD NeoLife NutriShake. I hope you are listening. Okay? Content, whatever it is. Okay? So, all this thing now, instead of saying 18 grams of protein, I will say GNAD NeoLife NutriShake creamy vanilla contain 18. Do you understand? GNAD NeoLife NutriShake. Do you understand this? Okay? GNAD NeoLife product, NutriShake creamy vanilla, has a comprehensive blended of 22 amino, whatever. You must bring your brand, your product name to whatever you are having. I hope you are getting this. You must bring it back to it. So it's not just like you see a content. Yes, I pointed you guys to a content that will help you to get your work faster. But you cannot do it word for word. One of the reasons why we are doing the SEO is because the organization that owns the products, I didn't say they didn't know any better, but that's the best they can do. But you are approaching it in a marketing point of view. A lot of developers develop websites. They are not a marketer. The way I would develop a website now, because I'm a marketer and I'm developing to sell, right? I will develop my website with SEO in mind, anytime, any day. From beginning, from setup. Even as small as WordPress. I'll develop it with SEO in mind. Yeah. So you need to know that. Then this picture, so you should be able to tell me what name you want to call this picture. That's why you need more, what do you call it? So from this picture that I'm seeing, this is basically, is this US or UK? This looks like a UK brand. It's UK, I guess. Okay. Biologically completed formula. Sorry. This looks like it. Good. Because I know the brand's shape in all the countries. I got that. Okay. In order to achieve optimal nutrition require, do you understand? You still sipping the name. So I think I don't need to be reading this word for word. You understand what I needed here? And where you are listing all these bulletin. Bulletin is good because it's part of what we need. You have to call our products. GNLD NeoLife products, right? Shake, creamy, vanilla. Because they have three flavors. There's vanilla, there's strawberry, and there's chocolate, right? So whatever you are mentioning, do what? It helps with cellular nutrition and vitality. Mention the product name. For muscular growth and repair, mention the product name. Effective for weight loss and management. Mention the product name again. Do you understand? That's very, very important. Don't just leave this. You are not doing exam. Like you are writing a sales. You are writing to sell. There's a difference between writing and writing to sell. So it's very, very important. So I think that's what you need to do with all this other one. You see this link that you have here? This is link assets, just in case you don't know. You use it, but you might not know. And this is killer. This is link asset early that you are doing right now. So this is also good, even in your SEO content, right? And this numbering is not numbering. So let it be like a bullet. Let it numbering, scatter. I hope you will be able to do that when you are based on. So you need to call the name, the brand name, Guess what? This company is an household name. So when anybody is looking for the product, it's the company name product they are looking for. They might not even know which one they want. So when they get the company name products, like whoever that is selling the company name product, like Kennedy products or NeoLife product, they can now send mail. I've received several mail. They can now come to WhatsApp for more enlightening. Which one will work for A? Which one will work for B? Some already know based on the category of what is on the website. They just buy what they want to buy and they move on. So, all these bullets, like you cannot just say support. What is supporting? I need to know. Kennedy NeoLife products and creamy vanilla support. Do you understand? So this one is wasting of content. Don't waste your content, right? If you do it like this, it will take 3 years for it to show up on Google. And again, the best place, or will I say the worst place to keep a website is the second page of the Google. So, and you don't want your stuff to be there. Yeah. It's hard before people go to second page. So all of us, oh God. It's getting better right now. I remember when I used to do this training way back to some team there. I would tell them that I can't wait to see you on the first page. A lot of them are on the first page right now. There's a picture that I'm trying to get to. I will send this picture to the group right now, to WhatsApp group now, so that you understand what I'm saying better. Yeah. With statement I just said right now, you'll be able to visualize what this image is talking about. It's not everybody that will get this image, but with what I just said now, you'll get it better. So download now. Oh, I think I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi or phone. So give me a minute. I just dropped something to the group now. Yeah, you should see it. Let me see if that's enter. Did you see that image? It said surface web. Can you see surface web? deep web, dark web, page 2 of Google. Can you see how bad the page 2 of Google is? This is how bad it is for your business to be there. You see that image? Say hi, you can see the image. That is how bad it is. That's how bad. You guys have been hearing of dark web, Eh? How many of you have been hearing of? Okay, it's okay. If you have pick up interest in what do you call it? Cyber security, ethical hacking, you will have heard something like dark web, right? You have heard something like that. So all those surveys, deep and dark web, they are even much more better than being on the second page of it. Imagine that. It's not funny. So what I'm trying to say is, you don't just write content. You want to write content yourself. Thank you once more. Okay. You don't just. There's a purpose for every of your content. Even if it's social media content, there must be a specific purpose, what you want to achieve. Once you miss it, okay, you're wasting your time. So all these things that I'm seeing here, is not complete. So complete it. You know what I mean? What needs to complete it? You should be having that tag, GNLD products, NeoLife products. You should be having it. By the time that will now come here and do like Control F, I should be having like 200 times, 300 times that I didn't mention in your content. That is how you kill it. All these reference, see all these reference here that you are seeing here. So it's also very good that you hyperlink it in your main implementation. You hyperlink it to where the researcher. This is linking assets. These are linking assets. This is very good. Glossary, references, these are badass killer kind of way to pursue anybody from the first page. See all these references, but these references will not have a meaning until you hyperlink it. Did you get that? It's not going to have a meaning until you hyperlink it. And it's very easy to hyperlink. Yeah, it is. Very, very easy for you to hyperlink this. So that's that one. For example, now, let me see if I have an editing, if it's not just only few that I have. I'm just trying to see if I have an editing role and it's not only few. I'll just show you a simple way of how you're going to do that. Again, don't just assume that, how can we hyperlink? Yes, that's what I want to do. So again, if you want to be an SEO specialist, you must learn at least basic HTML. HTML is not a programming language, but it's a language that web browser understands. Your website is on web browser. Did you get that? HTML is not a programming language. It's a language that only web browser interprets, just like only PDF that can interpret your portable document format. Only Microsoft Word that can interpret anything in documents. Only Photoshop that can interpret anything on PSD. Do you get that? So anything in web browser formats, browser interprets. So HTML is a language. It's not a programming language. It's like saying English is a prerequisite for learning. ABC is a prerequisite for learning English language. You started from alphabet, 2-letter words, 3-letter words, right? So HTML is a prerequisite for any programming language, like any. And as an SEO specialist, you must, if you want to be a guru in SEO, you must know it. Because all websites are not content management system. What do I mean by content management system? CMS. It's not the one at Lagos Alarm. All right? Yes. It's not the one at Lagos Alarm Marina. Right? So it's not our website. Content management system is like, I don't need to know how to write the code and I'll still work, I'll still get it done. It's not our website that looks like that. There are a lot of custom websites. Like I showed you a website that I built for a fire service the other time. BRIK Fire. That website is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. No WordPress anyway. So imagine you have a client as an SEO specialist and all your mind is like, I can optimize SEO. I'm an SEO expert. but you are limited to only WordPress or content management system. Okay, while I go deal. So you need to know the basics. So for example, what I want to do now. So if I come to this place now, I'm going to just teach you guys basic HTML and be done. In most of my digital marketing training, I make it compulsory and like learn HTML, and I call it web authoring. Yes, during the web authoring, you learn all that. It's actually compulsory for most of my students. I used to do that during G5 too, but I guess your own tongue, we don't have that luxury of time as you guys are stressing on LSP. You know, I said it that if you follow the instruction, we have so much to cover. When we don't, I'll just stick to my KPI. So now what I just did, I copied that and I want to get exact thing that she is referring to. So because you need to know the exact thing that is precise to say, what of workflow? You don't need workflow for SEO. Yeah, you don't need that. Your HTML, your CSS, even you don't even need 40% of CSS. HTML is just the major. Yeah. So why? I'm trying to search for that because we need to get the link of where you copy that, where this is being mentioned, or there's no book, or there's no research topic on this. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that because if there's no research topic for it, that is just like a paper. The difference between website and magazine is ability to click from one place to another. In hard copy magazine, you cannot click, you cannot navigate, you can just flip, right? So website is like an online magazine. Let me try another one. So I just want something that actually, like all these journals. So all these journals actually want to know where did somebody mention about this journal. So you need to link to all those journals. Should the case the person want to read more, sir, the link access, sir, is link access the same as that? Yes. What are they? Your link is not working. Because this thing is taking too long. And I don't want to believe that. Okay, I'll just link it with anything. So if I should come here like this, I'm coming down. But just need to get the source. I want to get the source of this, but that stuff is taking so much time than unexpected. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on any product. I'll get any external link somehow. So let's watch. So I'll use that to teach you how to do a link. Yeah, that actually requires HTML. If you didn't get it, let's say the document that you are referring to, the essay, the journal, is inside this place. So what I need to do is, this is it. Let's say this is the document, the journal, right? So I'll just copy the link of that journal on the World Wide browser. So this is the link of that journal. So here now, I will need to hyperlink this guy. Yeah. So I can just right click here. This is not the way I will do it on the web, on your blog. I can just hyperlink here and paste it there. This is just a kind of temporary thing, but if I want to write the code itself, what I need to do is I'll open this. Don't worry, I'll teach you guys HTML. You get it. It's very simple. Ahref. What does that mean? Hyperlink reference. The first one is anchor tag. Href, hyperlink reference. That's where are you referencing? Href, hyperlink reference. Okay. It's equal to what's the name of that link? This is the link that we're trying to reference. Right? Okay. Which book are you trying to reference? Let's say it's this. Right? So I'm going to put that book that we're trying to reference it. And I'll come here now. And I'll close this. Okay. So this is actually the hyperlink code. But you will get to that point where you will get how to get this one out. Okay. So in between this, I can just say learn more or whatever. Yeah. So that's it. So I'm going to teach you guys HTML so that you understand this. But anytime you are doing referencing like this, it has to be linked. There must be a landing page because you cannot just throw a reference and we don't know what that is. It's just like you are throwing the data without a source. I hope we get that. Yes, so there must be a source for that data. Fair enough. Yeah. So let me see if I can get your word counts. Why do you do word count less than 3,000? Guys, I specifically said minimum of 3K. I will share it. Sorry. I specifically said 3,000 coconut head. I don't go hear what. Why did you give us 2,500? Who will have the remaining? Eh? Ogo, I kept on looking for the content. Okay, so go and update it. Maybe by the time you update every other thing, like having your this thing on it, yeah. Maybe by the time of it, one, your keywords is too minimal, it's too small. Let us have like 20. Two, you did not call the major keywords, NeoLife products, GNH products. So let's have that as important. And I think I'm done with this. Yes, I'm done with this. All the way, like I will give you 61%. Yes. Yeah, I'll give you 61%. Well done. You're good to go. You guys should be cashing out. If you do this for a company, like you do it properly, like in the next. Like I said, this is for people that are not running from their business. Because you will not have results in 6 months. That's the plain truth. But when the results start coming in, it will look like I'm rubber salary. You know what that means? Right? Good. Well done, Augustina. Ogo. Is that the way your mommy call you? Ogo. Ogo to pashe. So let's move on. Matthew Agbowode. Matthew, the tax collector. I hope. What don't? Oh God, I'm not checking this again. Do you know why I'm not going to check it? Eh? Did I send it to do PDF? Okay, you're on your own. On to the next one. Instruction, very important. I said open, see all of you, all of you that send PDF out of the way. Now, like you said it twice. In fact, there's no question. Faiza, mathematics competition. Okay. Allah said you need that. Matthew Agbowode. So, SEO for simple mathematics, yes. I said, let us know the name of your product or service. So, that's this. Okay. Title, simple math. It's too scanty. No, now. No. Ojo, this will not fly at all. You know, this is learning. And learning is to build a community. This should be how to learn, right? Math in an easy way. Simple math. So you will see some of those things right now. Simple math. I need to hard learning to this because it's actually, can you see? Basic math, problem, practice, video, courses. Do you see how people like your competitors? See the way your competitors put their own title. Eh? Now, see your life in public. See your own title. Why are you loading? Eh? See your own title. Look at your competitor. No, now. So now look at what the data is saying. This is where you should be able to pick your keywords. Go to Chrome, search for this guy. I will pause here. If you ask me next time, I will not answer you. Go to Chrome extension or on Google. Search for this guy. It's still free. I used to use this guy, keywords everywhere before, but it's now paid. So we switch to this one. Keyword server, 1. Keyword server, 2. Keyword server, 3. I'm done. So that you could have, you can see math server. You have an app. So you need all these things. Can you see map server app? These are the keywords that can make your solution to reach people that are looking for it. So first of all, simple math, what is simple math? This should be one of your main title. Put it along. Look at this title, something like this. Do you see the difference between how do I learn basic math? Somebody that is having problem with math or simple math. Simple math is like saying basic math. This is what the person is looking for. You see, I said if you want to build a community, how is your keywords? You see that how? It's your major keywords. You cannot do without it. Right? You cannot do without it. Okay? Cannot do without it. Just imagine you send me PDF. You know I cannot update all this now. Yeah? So all of you that send PDF, say go bill. So this is just sample, but this title is not also enough. I won't stop at this. I'm just telling me. Look at the way your computer put title now. I didn't just pick this. Do you know why I picked this? Look at the keywords there. He said, people also ask, it's data that is talking to me, and I know how important it is. He said, people also ask, not aliens, not gorilla, human being, asking for this. So, see, what you are trying to do is, and writing SEO content is a kind of responding, giving solution to people's problem. You are a solution provider. Please tell me of that. On it, the middle one, of the other two. Yeah, this is it. Okay, I have to turn on my video so that I can see one camera seriously. Yeah. So you have to listen to data. So looking at this side, I think I told you guys the other time, is a way of looking for data, right? You see, this one is the best based on what your app is talking about. Then you will need all this here as a keyword because you mentioned that you are developing an app for simple app for math, sorry, basically. So either on your website or your app, whatever. You get it? And you can see the search volume here, 50% math solver. So people are actually having word problem as a topic in maths. They're having it here. So do you see that? So you go and spy on your computers. So if your computer is saying you cannot just do that. So I think I'm done with that title first. Then description. Practice and improve your math skills with easy to use online resource, featuring simple explanation. No, you cannot just say simple explanation. Simple explanation will mean anything. Simple explanation of how to cook jollof rice. Simple explanation of how to cook Indomie. So simple math explanation. Did you get that? That's your product. Simple math explanation. Example, an exercise, math examples, mathematic exercise. Do you understand? For various mathematics topics. And when you say mathematics topics, you should mention such as the popular topic. So that when somebody is looking for a specific topic, you are already talking about it. Learn and calculate with confidence. Okay? With our word, explain mathematics, simple math video in local languages such as Pidgin, Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo. Do you understand? And some other local language, your math skills will be improved, right? So math problem. So again, all your keywords must have comma. So can you see this how to learn math? Why did you miss it here? Okay. So 10 already know it's not enough. Have like 20 and all these in mouse have comma. What's that? Rest, body. So what I said all these things here is just for you to know what are things that you need to put on your body section. Yeah. Okay. It's not like we are not going to add all this in on our implementation. Just like to remember what are the things that you need in. So body, welcome to maths. Please welcome. Remove that. What is welcome to maths? There's nothing like welcome to maths. Math doesn't have to be complicated. That's okay. Our website is dedicated to. Yeah. So this math doesn't have to be complicated. You can start here. Nobody's doing welcome, whatever. Okay? You are writing SEO content. Whether you're a student, teacher, whatever, whatever. Okay, this is looking good. Mathematics or maths are simple. Maths feature. So let the math comes in. So here now, let me see. How many times do you have maths in? 77. It's looking good, but it's not enough. Right? It's not enough. Because that's the keywords. Okay? Easy way to learn math. How to learn math. Learn math without fear. A lot of things like that. So we should have as many as possible maths. And you should be using the word maths and mathematics interchangeably. Right? Yeah. Don't assume everybody say maths. So that's on that one. 77, fear, but it's not enough. Okay? Why? Because you have a lot of competitors. Your competitors are not even local, global competitors. You have a lot. And those global competitors, they're already ranking like a fire. So you have to contend with. You can see all of them have app. You can see Google Play. You need to look at what your competitors are doing currently. Your unique selling proposition is local languages, but you should not limit yourself to that. Is it a crime to learn dollar for me? So you should be looking at that. It's not a crime for people to be coming from Ghana. You can even get a lecturer from Ghana to teach them maths in Ashanti. Yeah. So that is so again, all these things you should be able to tell me that this is 81 or 82 or 83 or it's already. Okay? So it's not just typing it. Because when you are using it at the end of the day, you need to know if it's 81. So it should be like 83. Because it's going to make more sense when because your crawler is also looking for how many 83 do you have. That's what 83 means. It's actually, what command are you using to check the number of times you watch it? Control F. Yeah, find. Control F, that's it. Okay? So, affordable and accessible. So basically, I just need more maths. Just need more maths and all these things. Yeah. This one you are not talking. And mainly reason that is I know that this guy you are putting there going to be somebody in your content. Testimony, this is good. Follow the procedure, you follow the instruction. Let me check your word counts. Oh, you can see that you are still on low the bar. We need you at the top. Eh? Always try to be at the top. You can see the deep web, the dark web, and you see the second page. So this one will not help you to the second page. Yeah. Why I said 3,000 is, I know most of your computer will be doing like, imagine when you do 3,000, you have 77 like this. You might have math like times 77 times 3. Do you know what that do for you? Because does it. So always try to be at the top. The bottom is overcrowded. Yeah, don't be talking. He said, always be at the top. Always try to be at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. Les Brown. Okay. Okay, so make this 3,000. Yeah. You see that 3,000 is not negotiable. Yeah. If you like, give it to. I'm just saying my own. It's not negotiable. Because I don't just want you to do content. I want to do killer content. Everything that I'm telling you guys is the mistake that I've made that I don't want to happen to you. I learn in the hard way because nobody to point me. Difference between self-learner and yeah, this is what to do. There's some certain things that I've mentioned today that yes, you will come across it, but it might take you months or even years before you know that those things exist. It might take you even years to know that that is why some certain things are not working. So learn from all that. Choose, click, or add to check. Okay, somebody have response. So is our content topic based on keywords or where? No, everything, not only keywords. Yeah, everything. I'm trying to check your math video now. But if your math video is just it's getting better as we move on. But the first two slides, okay, let me share it for everybody to see. The first two slides is too crowded for me, but moving to other slides, it's actually better. Yeah, better. Look good. So I'm just checking the video. So I assume this video has to be uploaded on YouTube and that to be uploaded on your website. And it has to be also private. Should be the first slide be as simple as possible. Simplicity is beauty. So it begins more better from here. Yeah. By the way, this is remember. You see that now? Easy to. Well done for the video. Yeah. And then you can use your phone to crop this because you are using that's the price for free. You are the products. So you can use your phone to crop that out. So that I don't be direct traffic to your phone. All right. I think I'm done with Faiza. Overall, 65%. Did you well? Did you well? I didn't mean you make the 3,000. I would like give you 75. But you still say no. I will do what I like. A whole 24 hours. What if I did not give you guys format? Oh my God. I will have seen all kind of unexpected today. So somebody who just do one page and said, I'm done with SEO. So if I did said 3,000 words, someone will just come here with 50 words and say he's done with SEO. Okay. Okay. Before we move on, is Chisom here? So Deborah. Anyway, even if she's not here, you know why I'm just calling Chisom? Yeah, I think she wants to specially kill SEO. And I can't wait for her to start killing SEO. Yeah, video strategy is part of linking assets. Yes, video strategy is. I've used video strategy to kill anybody. Video strategy will help you with total domination. So look at this now. Because you'll be doing some certain thing, you'll be building a system around you like you want to cash out too. Like you have a knowledge, you want to share it. So as you are sharing it, you know what happened? Other people are also sharing. You should be up there too. Yes. So like how to promote NeoLife online. Watch. So I'm just trying to show you something about linking assets. How to promote NeoLife online. Even if you are in anywhere around the world, they don't point you where you will see me. That's linking assets, video strategy. Do you guys realize that we are on search results? I'm not even on video. So anytime you see a video link coming on the search result, it shows you how relevant it is. How relevant, how important to just search topic. So can you see number one? Ladies and gentlemen, today. I'm not just any topical. See the first one, how to promote. Remember I said if you want to build a community, how to. This is how I was able to build my community to 4,000 subscribers currently now in a very short time. Right? And I started earning some small dollars. Yes, I can't wait to be earning $10K. So I will not bother either Nigeria, whatever. Right? Can you see how to? Can you see that everything is how to? If people ask me, what kind of videos do you put on Facebook? How to? That's my answer. How to? Can you see that everything is having how to? How to? Are you learning? How to? This is from my Facebook. Don't forget it. How to? This is company is now coming here. Remember, this is search results, not video. This is somebody that I train. So this guy always tailor over me. Olai, his name is also Olai. He's in Osun State. This is also me here. This is search. Then I'll go to video. Video will just be like, mother them, mother them. So you can see that it has shuffled the search for this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even page 2, let me go there. This is how you do total domination, right? It doesn't just happen by a miracle. You know they share it like that. It's not by miracle. Determination, practicing what you are learning. Did you see this one? How to sell 10 million naira food supplement product. I did it. And I was showing proof in this video. Right? I did it. And I did all the strategy. Can you see? Key moments. What are the key moments there? Can you see? Year in review. Retirement plan. Strategy for paid adverts. IS bonus that are collected. Posting on social media is not market. Oh God. Use your skills. Can you see it? Can you see it? So whatever I'm saying, there are things that I've done. Right? I will not talk about things that I've not texted. The way my video will be in the next 1 year is going to be different because, like, I just know that this Nigeria, not today, I want to go to US, Canada, we strategize. There's nothing bad in going back. Did you see it? It doesn't just happen by anything. This is my Facebook coming in. Do you see that? This is somebody else. It doesn't just happen. Those are the things. So, Chisom or anybody, you have been saying, I don't want to face camera. I don't want to do video. You are cheating yourself. Guess what? Google will always favor their products. Google products. YouTube, Google products. Number 1 search engine in the world, Google search. Number 2, YouTube. So why are you not there? Go to the images too, because search is not limited to search. It goes to the video. Did you see now? And I always say, my name is Sheyi Omotunde. And when you better see me, there's some people that are saying, I say, I know you, I've been following you on YouTube. Then I also do personal branding. There are so many people that have started this business, like, I heard about this 5 years ago. I don't know that it was ever possible. A doctor called me from Calabar yesterday. Oh, by the way, he said he's going to come in today. He said, I just watched your video. I just want to know that everything that he's saying in that video is the way it is. I've never had it like that. Doing things in a certain way. So when I say optimize image, can you see where the image is coming from? This is the guy that I said is following me back to back. So there's a way you can copy somebody very well. So because I order all these branded t-shirts from US, not Nigeria. Look. Yes. Me, I ordered everything from US. I ship it to my friend's house in US. Then he sent it to Nigeria through what do you call this? I can't remember the name. Because I know that there's a lot of bad names that people have created for this industry. But I want that anybody that come across any content from me, you know that not be the same. You cannot see me and say those boys that work on the street, those boys that no, they are not the same. So I ordered it from here. I think I ordered about $160 that time. I ordered a lot of things. Like I just want to stand out. And that's why you are seeing all those things. So in anything that I want to do, just have it in mind. Like from beginning, I know what I want to do. I know what was happening in the industry. I know how dirty it is. I know perception that people have. Sometimes I will listen to some influencers, kit maker. I just laugh. Like, he said this. I will listen to everything like, I made money from this business you are talking about, but I've never done anything that you are talking about in this your video. I just smile. Yeah. And the reason is, I don't blame anybody that comedian is talking about. I don't blame all those because you cannot give what you don't have. I have opportunity to have a digital skill, and I believe that I can use it. And I did it because I've done it in other businesses, so I can do it for any business. Did I told you guys I have advertised caskets before? If you know Odunlami in Lagos Island, Lami from CMS, you are going to Obanede, that is their streets. Yes. Anything, bring it. The same concept, the same strategy, different product, different services. Did you get that? So, what led us to this? Is video a link asset? Yes. Right? That's what led us to this. Yes, it is. I think I'm done with Fahisa. I should do one more person. Before I do one more person, I will unmute everybody. No, should I? I don't want you to scatter this for, especially for people that have been on and off. So if you want to ask any question, you can just indicate at this time. You know already that I cannot do all this, but I cannot review everybody. No, now. How will I review 30 people? No, now. But from whoever that I review, you'll be able to pinpoint where you are lagging. So for some of you that already have 500 word counts, you can see that you're on low the bar already. For some of you that did not put the major keywords, you know that you are not making it easy for yourself. So Emmanuel, let me see. It's like you raise up a hand and you drop it back. Maybe your question will be answered, right? Who else? Nobody. So if there's nobody, let me just pick one more, and we are done for today. Then, oh, Emmanuel, you are back. So let me ask you to unmute yourself. Oh yeah, unmute yourself now. I've asked you to unmute yourself, Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
Okay, sir. My question is on the video linking.
Yeah, very.
Video...
Sorry. I'm just asking. Something dropped on my phone.
Okay. Okay, my question is on the video assets. During the SEO, whatever, video linking assets, will your video appear on YouTube, or is it that you really want to post it there? That's what I want to know.
Sorry, take that back. I'm not with you. Take it back. I'm not with you. Take it back. Thank you.
Okay, I meant during your SEO now, during your SEO content or video content,
yes.
Then if it's ranking, if your video is already ranking or video linking assets already ranking.
No.
Or is it when you...
Why are you going on and off?
Okay, I said during the SEO, after your video, after your SEO has started ranking or whatever content has started ranking.
Yes.
Now, if they want to search your video on YouTube,
yes.
will your video come out if you don't post it on YouTube?
No, your video has to be on YouTube. It's a must.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So you are leveraging on YouTube because you know that YouTube is #2 search engine. Yeah. So your video has to be there. Yeah. Who do I have again? I'm trying to check, so don't worry. I hope you guys are learning. How can someone who loves to talk about children earn money? That is big industry. Yay! Write your proposal. Let me refine it for you. Right? Write your proposal. That is doing. Yeah. Just write up. Just send me anything. Let me see how we can work on that. That's actually a big industry. Yeah, children. Like #1 video. Baby chakulu kulu kulu, baby chakulu yunku kulu, baby chak. That is children. Do you understand? That is big industry. Just in case you don't know. So, Uche, talk to me. Unmute yourself.
Okay. Good afternoon. Actually, sorry. Yes, so I wanted to just see, like, I don't know if you've treated my SEO strategy contract.
Your document?
Yes, sir.
No. I'll just treat based on the one that I have from the top. And I expect
so you're using SEO to treat SEO. You're treating by ranking.
Yeah, no, not by ranking. by people. Like I said, definitely I cannot do everybody, and that's one of the reasons
Yeah,
why
it's fine, sir.
I'm
It's
recording
fine,
this.
sir. I just wanted to be sure. Yeah,
That's
it's
why I'm
fine.
recording this, so that it will be available and you'll be able to check something later. Yeah.
Okay, sir. All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Chiazoka. Chiazoka is my current PA now. Sorry, today you are still my PA too. So Tom, I'm listening.
Mr. Shea, good morning. Good morning. Oh, sorry, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Please, like you said when you were reviewing Augustina's SEO content, you said that she should be repeating the DNLD NeoLife products like that. So I read somewhere that you don't necessarily need to repeat your keywords for it to rank. That's sometimes Google might see it as incoherent use of words or something like that. So I want to know, is it correct or
Yes, that is
just
correct.
explain?
That is correct, but we are not using it on keyword section. Do you understand? We are using it on content section. So this is what they are saying in essence, Augustina. Okay, let me explain that. I want to open Augustina's work. Leke can't talk to you right now. So this is what they are talking about. So if I'm repeating it here now, it's going to backfire. Do you get it? Can you see my screen? So this is what I'm talking about. This is keywords, meta tag keywords. That's why I say separate. But here, it's in the midst of, like, I'm just using it with the sentence, with the words. Do you understand? It's not a standalone. It's a sentence. So a sentence is not the keywords. Did you get that? But here, if I'm repeating best NeoLife products, most do you understand? Best. So that's going to backfire. But here, I'm using it within a sentence. So it's different from this. I'm still listening to you. Chiazokam. Did you get that? I've asked you to unmute yourself if you want to know. Okay, I think we are done with that.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I understand.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's actually correct. Don't just repeat things anyhow. Okay, so now that we have done this, I want everybody to go and update their stuff. 3,000, please. Yeah, 3,000. I don't just want you to do this for like we are practicing. Yeah. This is real thing. This is what we are implementing for a real project. I don't do this kind of thing for fun. I cannot be taking my time like this. You know how it took us to gather and do this meeting today? Starting from brain, starting from somebody that is coming to do something for me, which I have to be there personally and all those things. So I don't want any one of you to take this for granted. So this will be added to the backend by someone that is there. I like that question. This should be added by you. You are an SEO specialist. And that is the reason why you will need to learn how to do it. Okay? Because somebody is a developer, right? Because somebody can write program, that does not mean that the person is an SEO specialist. Did you understand? Because somebody is a developer, don't assume that a developer knows everything. A lot of developers cannot use Canva. A lot of developers cannot use Photoshop. A lot of developers find it hard to even use Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. The only thing they do in Excel is, convert it to CSV. I need to use it to upload to a database. So don't assume that because he's a developer, he can do as many as possible. So it's your job as an SEO specialist to implement it. And that is why I said for people that are working on NeoLife. So let me show you something. Let me just show you an idea of what I'm already working on. So I have this. It's something that I'm building for a global reach. So you can see from the name itself. From the name itself, no, not this one. This one is local. Yeah. already and NeoLife.com, not .com.ng. It's a global. So what I'm now trying to do now is each of every other countries that this business exists, I want to be creating something called subdomain. So inside those subdomain, that's why where you guys are going to implement it. Then again, if you feel like you want to buy your own domain name, yeah, I've done this before. If you like want to buy your own domain name and you want to be implementing things on yourself, when people call you for products and you are not in business, you want to reach out to me. Yes, it's fine to do it. So what I have to do for this is like from each of these, and I want to be creating different country. Like I've laid the foundation for .uk just to upload it. This is ready. .uk, .ca, .us. So I want to have all other country inside this. Okay, all other country. So like I said, you can also decide that if you want to just do that to practice. So for example, now this one, no. There is one of my students. Yeah, this is not. I think it's art. It's one as S. That's he has been hearing me doing this, and he's a very good SEO guy. So he didn't tell me. Yeah, you see the way he used to come to this office, saw the way that people have been coming to the office, somebody just drive in, buy product, C200, C150, like, So he didn't tell me. So he went to buy this domain. Can you see domain? He bought this domain. After he bought this domain, he started creating content, optimizing. Yes, he's a guru, I can tell you. Yeah, he's a guru in SEO. He started creating this. I was in one of my clients' office one day in BI. She just called me. He just called me and said, give me your link. I said, what link? He said, NeoLife now. I said, what happened? What do you want to use for? He said, I want to register. I said, register for what? Yes. So he has done the website. He has optimized, like, this is ranking right now. You see it on first page of the Google. So he did, because it's good. I said, for what now? He said, I should just send it. Can you see linking assets? Yeah. Yeah, this is a strategy. He said, I should just send it. I said, okay. Emmanuel, that's his name. You saw Emmanuel now. That's how he got started. And I said it to him. Do you know what happened that day? Somebody wants to buy product of, I think, 250K or more because they find it on his website. And he just felt that, instead of him to just come to me and say, they want to buy product too. And because I'm not even aware of this, he has inspired on me and I did not know. because I'm not even aware of this. In that same, so I sent the link. Before I know, you just receive a message that somebody has read. I saw the name. Emmanuel, I know. What is this? Then before I saw it, somebody has placed order of 250K. That is it. And since then, he has been selling on this. He's not a member, he's just selling on this page. Through what? SEO. And it's very, very good. It's very, very good. I want to show you something. NeoLife. Can you see this? I just typed NeoLife. I hope you can see my screen. NeoLife appear how many times? Can you see it? Oh, you guys cannot talk. If you can't talk, type it on the chat. Did you see? I just want to know that you saw that by Control F. Can you see this? How many times? So that you know, so I'm giving you some proof, track record, 111 times. So your own is showing 5 times, 10 times. I think you have worked 77. So when I said it's fair, so you should understand what I'm talking about now. Because he knew what it is. Because he has been doing this, render this service for businesses, and they are killing it. Yeah. So he could apply the same thing. Do you see that? That's it. That's it. Guess what? This one is one page, but there's a strategy for this one page. So all the product is on the same page. Can you see several products on the same page? So just keep building it like it's a catalog, like it's a directory. Can you see it? So can you see where this linking strategy comes in here? Can you see it? Yeah, I'm showing you real life practical. These are not the things that you get on somebody teaching you SEO on Udemy. You can't get it. Or somebody teaching you SEO on Coursera. Cannot get it. Yeah. So I think I'm done for now. I cannot review everybody. I'm sorry. Okay, but wouldn't that be partial if I said I should take one more person? And I already know the person I was, so I'm not going to review anybody again. So, but from everything that I've mentioned, take those corrections. Correct your stuff. I'm not going to be available tomorrow because I have a special engagement. It's a speaking engagement like this tomorrow. And I know it's outside Festa, so it might take more than my 4 or 5 hours. I started by 10 a.m. So we'll not have class tomorrow. But we'll have class on Saturday. What am I going to do on Saturday? I'm going to implement what you have done. But before I implement, I first go to your document. That's why I said you should share the document with me so that you don't need to share it again. You can just upload it. For some of you that have done your stuff on PDF, you see have opportunity to sell the real thing, right? That is not in PDF. So what I will do is I will show you how to implement it, right? I'll be implementing it. I will use like 1 or 2, 3 people implementing it. So you now see how it works. Okay, I can get some video ready too, so that you see how. No, I don't even need to get a video ready. Possibly I have some of the video that talks about that from YouTube. If I didn't get, we can just create one too and put it there. And within the time that I have, I don't know, I still have like 27 minutes before closing for my children. So are you guys tired? Let me start from there. Are you tired? Let me know if you are tired. Do you understand? Is it clear? Are you getting more confidence when it's come to SEO now? No, talk for yourself, Uche. What do you mean that you can never be tired? Talk for yourself. Some people have not taken their lunch, even breakfast, so they should be able to function. Okay. So I'm just thinking, but I think we should just call it a day. I'm just thinking if I can just introduce HTML, but have it in your mind that as an SEO specialist, it's compulsory, it's not optional if you don't want to lose money. It's compulsory for you to learn HTML. Okay? It's compulsory. I will get my domain and hosting on Monday from my business school. Please show us how to for website or that of personal business. How to for website. That is not clear. So just get how to topics if that is more confidence and waiting for implementation. Okay. For example, now, if not all, most of my NeoLife blog and websites, they are content management system. But guess what? Safe Deposit Box is not a content management system. It's an HMS source. Do you understand? It's HMS. I think I've opened it before. So it simply means there's no going to be WordPress dashboard. So I'm going into the code straight. So let me show you. So when you want to do that, you just go the name of the website /cpanel. That's how you log into cpanel. While I'm doing this, I'm going to pause my screen. So typing now, I want to enter. So once you log into the cpanel, so it's logging into the cpanel right now. So you, as an SEO specialist, when you want to implement for clients, I'm teaching you business right now. You ask for 2 things. So before you ask for the URL of the website you want to optimize so that you can do your audit. During your audit, you will have checked whether the website is WordPress CMS, right? Or custom website, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Redux, and the rest, all of them, Laravel, PHP, and the rest. Yeah, could be anyone. So how do you check if the website is a WordPress? There are 2 ways to check. There are 2 ways to actually check that. one of the way you can check that is by coming to the website and put WP admin right. That's one of the first way to check if it's actually a kind of set. So that's how you know that it's WordPress. There's some people they will redirect you so you not see this. So another way to check that is copy the domain name of the website. And WordPress will convert it to custom. Yes, it can. Yeah. So some that redirect their default page instead of WP having admin. If you want to check, can go to WP detector. Detector, yeah. Something like that. Yeah. Move. WP detector. Yeah, I think WP something like that. So yeah, detector.com. You go there. After you go there, you type the name, you put the name of the website. So once you put the name of the website, to tell you the thing that they use, the login. So if you didn't get information about it here, it just shows that it's not WordPress. But even if they redirect it, if it's WordPress, you still get to know here. Because you need to know all this so that when you are speaking with facts. I'm like, how do you know that this is where you build our website? How do you know that this is the language that we use? That's your work. That's your job to know. Right? So before I enter this now, detect. He said, this is the name of the team that I use. And yes, that's it. The team is called Ample Blog. And it's free. Right? And he said, inside this WordPress, I have some of these social media plugins that I have there and other things that I use there. Do you understand? WhatsApp to click to WhatsApp. Do you understand? So even if they redirect it that without wp.admin and did not show you WordPress login, this is another way to detect. Okay? Another way to also detect is I'm still on WordPress because people do different kind of things for security right now. Another way to detect is you can just quickly right-click on the website and click page source. Okay? View page source. Okay? Right-click on the main website, click page source. If the website is disabled for right-click, there's a way you can write a JavaScript code to disable the right-click on the website. Go to the view. I think that is not available on Chrome. That is available on Mozilla. You go to the view and click, you see page source under it. So like this now, what do? You can do Control F, just look for WP-admin. That is WordPress content. WP content, IP content, I mean. So once you see WP content, these are major directory on WordPress. You can see it appear about 230. So for this now, I know that's WordPress. There's nothing you can tell me. So like I've taught you 3 different ways of checking that now. But guess what? If I go to save deposit box right now, and no, I'm not setting now. I think I should just. So if I go to save deposit box now, like saying save deposit box, because it's not a WordPress, so you need to know the platform that they built so that it will give you a kind of knowledge on what are the credentials. Okay, what are the username and password to ask them to implement your project. So if I say WP-admin, okay? So error 404 simply means the page does not exist. Yeah. Okay? Error 404 simply means it no exist. So when it doesn't exist, this is one of the signs that this guy is not a WordPress. Do you understand? This is one of the signs. But again, they can redirect it, like I told you. You can now come here. Okay? WP detector again. Paste it there. You will not see the name of the team. Right? WP detector. .com. I hope you are taking note of some of those links. So you put it here now. So check. It's coming. So check. So you need to know. So after you know, You now need, so even if it is WordPress or any other thing, you ask them for cPanel credential. Okay. This guy is not WordPress, basically. So it's just they're just advertising some WordPress testing here. So it's not WordPress. Okay. So you look for, so you ask for cPanel credential, username and password for cPanel. They say, okay, the username and password I didn't give it to them after they buy this because you need to do some work on cPanel. Then WordPress username and password. But again, sometimes some web developer, they'll be doing Agidigba, they don't want to give you. Maybe they think you want to hijack their work or something like that. If the client have username and password for cPanel, me, I'll jailbreak the username and password for the WordPress. I'll break it down. So all I just need to do is, so even if you don't give me your username and password for WordPress, all I need to do is I'll just go to PHP right? So I will see your database and I'll log into your database and I will see your username, but I will not see your password. I'll just update your password and I'm inside, right? And I'm inside. So basically the most important thing is get the username and password for the cPanel and get the admin username and password tools, just in case. So like this now, this is the main website. This website is not WordPress, but when this is the cPanel of this website, so you as an SEO specialist, you've already have all your content, you've done your research, your implementation is just copy and paste. Okay? So after you get to cPanel, this is where your work, all your work will start and end here. File manager, file manager. So once you click file manager, it's going to open this. Then you locate public_HTML. That's where your file is. Remember, this is a custom website. This is not WordPress. If it's WordPress, you go to WordPress admin, right? We are going to get to know that. So when you get to public_HTML, so for a reason, I actually want to build this on WordPress before. So I actually want to build this website on WordPress before, but I just felt that, oh, I'm not going to be posting on the blog. If I have installed the WordPress, then I change it. That's why it's showing us error 404, not fun. But if you look at this, when you type save deposit box, it's only a programmer or web developer that will pay attention to see what is on URL. But me, I know the reason what I'm doing. You see parts of keywords. Can you see the way I named this? That when you get to the main domain, I kept all my secrets inside here. That's what I'm telling you. This is direction. Then I now still rename that save deposit box services. So I'm still calling, even on the URL, I'm still calling my name for the fact that this is my name already. So what does that mean? So it's if I want to locate my file, I'll go to this place inside my panel. So this is my panel. I'm going to this place. I'm just teaching you how to read code. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing that right now. So when we get to this place, go to this place. Index is the default page for website. So everything that I did on this Save Deposit Box website is here. For somebody that did not know, right? That did not know that is here. Immediately the person gets to the website like this. A novice that did not know how to read URL content like this. Immediately the person gets to the website. For the fact that the person know that, oh, they said the default page for any website is index, the person will just come here on this page. I'm looking for index. Come in. There should be someone somewhere here. Oh, it's not even here. So most likely the person will see an index here, right? Or the person go inside this content, see the index and say, ah, that is not the page. That's not the page. In fact, this is the entire page. It's not up to MB, 2 MB. So this is when I upload it. So this is like the backup to me. This is 2019, and I can also restore the backup anytime. Then it's inside here. So when you get here too, the person will think is here. The main website is not here. The main website is here. That's the kind of deceptive. So when I get to this place now, so it's good to know what the directory is saying. Yeah. So this is the entire website you are seeing. And this saying is built on HTML. This is not just HTML, HTML5. HTML5 means it's a mobile responsive website. So your code will still work without this, but there's HTML4 natives, right? Which is without this doc type, it's still going to work. Oh, sorry. Just assume that I've not talked about HTML. I'm just trying to explain some strategy. You see those titles that you have in your document, I copy it, I fix it here. Right? Can you see? You see those keywords that you have in your document, because copy and paste is implementation. I say better than keywords, I copy it, I fix it here. You see the description that you have on your document, I copy it, I fix it here. Does it make sense? Then body, I started fixing heading 1, heading 2. So if I'm looking for body now, I can just Control F. I know where the body will be, so I can just type body. And this guy will take me to body. So he said the body starts here. Can you see body? So the entire body of the website is here. Can you see the way I'm using H3? Strong simply means I want it to be bold. Can you see why I'm using H3 again? Do you understand? Paragraph, bulletin, list, L1, another list, then the list. You can see where I use division, right? So these are just some basic HTML, and it's good for every digital marketer to learn this HTML. At least it's going to help you. So you don't need to be begging something that I can do yourself. One developer will not be telling you that I'm busy, and maybe in the next 2 weeks. Like that makes you look very incompetent. Yeah. That makes you look very, very incompetent. Okay? So learn as more as HTML. It's not hard. Yeah, it's an English word. So the entire page that you are seeing here, that's what I did here. And I'm done like good food. So I think before we start on Saturday, you're not going to have this class on Saturday. Take tomorrow, like from today on to tomorrow, to update your content. Before we start on Saturday, I'm just going to introduce HTML. But before we even have on that Saturday, if you have time on your side, go to W3 School. W3 School. That is W3 School. 3 number. I think it's .com or .org. I don't know which one they are using now. Okay, it's .com. W3 Schools. You can just type it on Google. W3 Schools, right? So almost all programming languages are there. So just click here. Just follow the instruction. Learn some basic HTML. It might look like miracle to you, something like that. You might not really understand. Just read through so that on Saturday, when I'm in class, I'm talking about some Saturday thing, you have a better understanding. So that's just it. Okay? Again, if you're going to be a good, so they have a whole module. I still recommend this today. There's Code Academy too, but I still recommend this guy. Yeah. And it's pure HTML5, as you can see. They will tell you even how to edit, how to try it out, and just read it, follow it from home, an introduction, intro, and all this. Well, no matter if it is just 30 minutes, 1 hour that I do here, accumulated between that Saturday, so that by the time I started talking in class, it will look like somebody is speaking what to do. So that is it for today, guys. Yeah. That's it. I'm done. We meet on Saturday. I have engagement tomorrow, so we'll not be able to meet tomorrow. I have to see myself to come here today. Basically, I have some little cough and catarrh, but it shocked me that I did not cough throughout this session. I didn't cough throughout this session. Okay. So, guys, I'll see you on Saturday. If you join meeting tomorrow, you're on your own, because I won't be here. So if anybody join meeting tomorrow and asking on the group that, are we not having meeting? Please help me respond to the person. Okay? Everyone, go and update your documents. I'll see you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye.